Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix problem with connection on the Edifier True Wireless Sound 2. So as you can see, when I try to connect them, I get this notification that I cannot communicate with them. So we have to click OK. They are still visible on available devices. The scanning is on the way, so they are in the pairing mode. And I can recommend you to go back for the main settings on your phone, then turn off the Bluetooth. And right now, if you take them out of the case, just put them back, like in my case, then open the case, take them off, and manually move them to the pairing mode. So click and hold these two buttons until one of them starts blinking on the red and the blue. In this case, the left one is blinking. They are visible right now to other devices. Put them back, then turn on Bluetooth on your phone, click to pair new device, and when they pop on the list, try to select them right now. Okay, right now tap to pair, and let's see. Okay, right now it works. So as you can see, that's my way to fix this problem. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.